The Vietnam War, the communist North Vietnam, Hanoi, the capital, South Vietnam, Saigon, 20 minutes before departure. You see the decorations are everywhere. Aircon is good. Ooh, they have this, you know, like cleaning the bottom parts. It's good.
Wish you all have a joyful, comfortable, and safe trip.
As I always say, I make mistakes, so you don't have to. It's kind of like a Uber here in Southeast Asia. Welcome everyone, welcome to another video of Out of Your Comfort Zone. My name is Rodrigo and we are here in Saigon, the center station, the train station in Saigon, which is known today as Ho Chi Minh, which is the largest, second largest city in Vietnam. Used to be the capital of the South Vietnam. Remember the Vietnam War, the communist North Vietnam, Hanoi, the capital, South Vietnam, Saigon, supported by the Americans. The Americans and South Vietnam lost, and now it's reunified, the country, a single country here in Southeast Asia, and actually was reunified 50 years ago. Exactly 50 years ago, the fall of Saigon. You can see all the commemorations. There's a lot of going on here in the city today. There were flyovers, there were military parades. I was checking the parade. I'm gonna have another video just about the Vietnam War and things that you can visit here in Ho Chi Minh, Saigon, related to the Vietnam War. And then I'm gonna show you the parade, the flyover, helicopters, and so on. So this video specifically is just to show I'm gonna catch a train tonight from Ho Chi Minh to Nha Trang. It's about 10 hours, I think, and I'm gonna sleep on the train. So I wanna show you guys how it is, this train, if it's a modern train, if it's not, if there's air conditioning and everything, and the beds, just to show a little bit how it is if you're thinking about doing the same, especially in Vietnam. The economy is growing up a lot, it's been developing a lot, so things are getting much better for the population as a whole. Maybe until Trump starting messing around with tariffs, but that's another subject. So that's it, I'm just gonna eat something now. I arrived quite early here, didn't wanna risk, but soon we're gonna get to the train. Let's go. But before I go back to the video, I'm gonna ask you a favor. If you haven't done yet, please like and subscribe to the channel. It's still a new channel, so every like and every subscribe really helps the channel grow. And that's it. Let's get back to it. Everyone happy in the communist country, catching the nice train, the conductor, the steward, the engineer. Well, like there's not much of communism here in Vietnam, to be honest. It's very much capitalist free market, but state capitalism like China. Even like Lotteria, that's from Korea. I lived 1 year in Korea, in South Korea, not North Korea, and Lotteria is everywhere there because it's Korean. O problema aqui é que não tem aqueles painéis, os horários dos trens, da horária e da plataforma do trem. Então eu não tenho a mínima ideia em qual a plataforma que eu tô. Tinha esquecido de mencionar, eu vou pra Nha Trang. São umas 10 horas daqui pro norte. Mas tá uma galera aqui, eu não tenho a mínima ideia se é o meu trem ou não. Mostrando o Ho Chi Minh pegando o trem. Sempre tem propaganda, né? Sem parar aqui. Começou muito felizes, o desenvolvimento do país. Já que eu tô aqui assistindo propaganda comunista, eu vou explicar para vocês rapidinho como você pode comprar tickets de trem aqui para o Vietnã. É super simples. Tem um site da própria empresa de trens do Vietnã, pública, do estado, que até que é bom o site, não é complicado não. Eles têm a tradução em inglês, foi tranquilo para mim. Abriu, vamos embora. Mostrando da guerra do Vietnã, os B-52 bombardeando o Vietnã. Estamos indo aqui com a galera. Por enquanto, não muito a reportar. Não é tão bagunçado, mais ou menos. Eu só tenho que achar o meu carro, né? O meu vagão, o vagão certo. Vamos lá. E tem que mostrar o ticket. So we are getting here to the train. Finally, 20 minutes before departure. You see the decorations are everywhere, absolutely everywhere. The train doesn't look that new, but as long as it's not boiling hot inside and I can sleep, I'm fine with that. See, you can already check. This is for 4 people. My one is like 6 people. Have to save a little bit. Saigon Express. And this is my cabin here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 6 people. Aircon is good. Maybe I should have chosen the top part because I could leave my bags there, but not very smart. And but that's it. Now enjoy my trip. I like here. It's very comfortable and feeling great with aircon. Can't complain. So good. Let's view here and sleep like an angel. So it's supposed to be 6 people, but this person here didn't come, or it's empty. There's no one. So 5 people in the cabin. Not bad. Those are like steps. So you step up here and go up your other floor.
A valuable experience in the reform process.
English.
The railroad staff are always in solidarity, creativity, and continued writing new historical chapters. And one of
For drinking? Not sure.
and transportation system, which were trusted and used by passengers and the whole society. Wish you all have a joyful, comfortable, and safe trip.
So here's the bathroom. Not bad, it's pretty clean. Like obviously it's a old bathroom, but ooh, they have this, like cleaning the bottom parts. It's good. It helps. Especially sometimes they run out of toilet and everything. So I like it. Here in Vietnam and in Cambodia, the 2 places I was now, they both have it. And there's a place here for wash your hands and everything. Hello. What's up? What's up? Yeah, because I have to keep doing stuff until the train leaves. And there's people selling food here, which is good. I just ate some sandwich that I bought in the train station, but they have food here as well. And we'll start moving. So they have a food cart here. Really nice. And this cabin is completely empty. Pity. So I was looking, I couldn't find the restaurant car because it's a very, very long. They had some promotions. It's a very, very long train. Would take absolutely forever. But this car here is pretty cool because it's all made of wood. Very nice, very old style. All wood and a little bit darker. This is the National Rail Company of Vietnam here, and it's a national rail company, and they have these decorations for you. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. So yeah, not much to, but important, they have food, so you don't need to have a restaurant card. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, look how cool. Crossing the city. I'm gonna have to wait because it's a long train. But besides that, like the luxury level seems to be mostly the same. And I was mistaken. I thought that because I saw some of the 4 places. I think they do have, but most of them are 6 places per cabin. Happy New Year! And more propaganda. But that's it for now. I wanna chill. See you later. Question for you. Which one would you take? The bottom part, which is easier to get in and get out of the bed, but you have not much privacy because everyone can see you. The middle, which one the one I got now, or the top? You have a lot of privacy, but it's hard, you know, like when I go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, you have to blah blah blah. Which one would you choose? Small mistake here. I brought my eye cover, but I didn't bring my ear plug. So it's noisy. It's gonna be hard to sleep. As I always say, I make mistakes, so you don't have to. Next time, bring your earplugs. Like trains in general, during the night, you're gonna sleep in the train. Never know how noisy they are. Even some in Europe. So earplugs. So kind of sleep in a sleeping bag here. They have these with zippers, the sheets, but it's kind of a short bed. So if you're tall, it's not gonna be a bit small for you. Your feet is gonna be out, I don't know, or you're gonna be flexed throughout the night. And it was kind of cold actually. The air conditioning was really good. Okay, thank you so much. Come on, thank you. So that's it. We just arrived here in Nha Trang. It was a pretty decent trip actually. I slept kind of okay. There was a guy snoring on my cabin, so it was complicated. But that's not the fault of the train, right? If you're in a hostel or in a sleeping bus and everything, that can always happen. Have people snoring around you. Again, the trains are not super new, are not super nice, but it was comfortable. It was cold, which was important, so I enjoyed a lot. And see, it's a very long train, very long train, and I recommend. And tonight, I'm taking a night bus to Ho Chi Minh here in Vietnam as well, so I will be able to compare both the night train and the night bus from Vietnam, and I'll let you all know. This is a nicer shot. And a little bit more of propaganda, why not? 50 years, it's a big date. And I'm gonna go to my house and now it's 7 a.m. I still have time. It's definitely less hot than Ho Chi Minh. I'm gonna get a Grab. Don't know if you all know Grab. It's kind of like a Uber here in Southeast Asia. And you can catch both cars as well as tuk-tuks and even motorcycles. Like you just go behind a motorcycle. So it's pretty easy to travel around here. Much easier. I traveled in the past in Southeast Asia where you have to negotiate every single transportation. Here no. You put the app on and super cheap and you find the best deals. So definitely recommend Grab. So that's it. I'm finishing up here. I approved. I think it was a great night train here in Vietnam. Not super new, but super comfortable, cold, enjoyed. Pretty good view actually. And as I mentioned, I forgot to mention, I booked this train directly with the website from the Vietnam rail company.
about to move on track 1. Safety.
Now they're
Please stand away
telling
from
people
track
about the
1.
trains, been like here for a while, and now they're telling you, be careful. So you can book directly with them, or you can book if you haven't, if you don't know yet, with the website Want2Go. It's a website for transportation, accommodation, tours here in Southeast Asia. So most of my buses and trains I'm buying with Want2Go. It's really easy. They give you all the options. It's a pretty good way of buying a transportation around here in Southeast Asia, as well as accommodation and tours. So I'm gonna leave the link for both websites in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or if I said anything wrong, you'd like to correct me, please leave your message in the comments area, and I always respond. Have a good one.